Good morning, dear students. Myself, Neema Dabi. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. So, dear students, let's start our GK. Before that, let's see what is the thought of the day. The thought of the day is it is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. It means that if you want to defeat someone, it is very easy. But if you want to win someone's heart if you want to win someone, it is very hard. Alright, students? So, let's see what we will study in GK today. So, students, take out chapter number 9, Very High, Very Deep. We will study the highest elevation and the lowest point of continent. Alright, let's start it. Dear students, first of all, we will see what is the highest elevation and the lowest point in Asia. Okay, so you can see in the picture, in Asia, the highest elevation means ऊंचाई. ऊंचाई किसकी होती है? Mountain की होती है, right? So the highest elevation in Asia is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest of the Himalayan mountains. Okay, it's considered the highest mountain on Earth. Mount Everest is a peak of the Himalayan mountain ranges. It is located between Nepal and Tibet. So, the lowest point in Asia is Dead Sea, which is situated in Jordan. The Dead Sea, also called as Salt Sea, okay, is also known as Salt Sea. Salt Lake bordering Jordan to the east and Israel to the west. Alright. So, number 2 is Africa. Okay. The continent Africa. The highest elevation in Africa is Mountain Kilimanjaro. Okay. The highest elevation in Africa is Mountain Kilimanjaro. It is located in Tanzania. Mountain Kilimanjaro is the African continent. Its highest peak at 5,895 meter. The majestic mountain is a snow-capped volcano, as you can see in the picture. The lowest point of continent Africa is Lake Essel. Lake Essel is a crater lake in the Dankil Desert in central Djibouti. Alright. Now, the third continent is North America here. Okay. So, the highest elevation of the continent North America is Denali. Okay. Denali is the highest mountain peak in North America. Denali is the third most prominent and third most isolated peak on Earth after Mount Everest. Now, the lowest point of North America is Death Valley. Death Valley is a desert valley in eastern California. It is one of the hottest places on Earth, along with deserts in the Middle East and the Sahara Desert. So, the fourth one is South America. So, the highest elevation of the continent South America is Mount Aconcagua. Okay. So, it is the highest mountain in the Americas and the highest outside of Asia, being the highest in both the southern and western hemisphere with the summit elevation of 6,961 meters. And the lowest point of South America is Laguna del Carbon. Is situated in Argentina. Laguna del Carbon is situated in Argentina. Is the lowest point of the continent South America. Now, the continent is Antarctica. Okay. So the highest elevation of the continent Antarctica is Vinson Massif. Okay, the highest elevation is Vinson Massif. It is a large mountain massif in Antarctica that is 21 km long and 13 km wide. The massif is located about 1200 kilometers from the South Pole. So, the lowest point of the continent, Antarctica, is Bentley Subglacial. Bentley Subglacial. The Bentley Subglacial Trench is a vast topographic trench in Mary Birdland, West Antarctica. Now, students, our next continent is Europe. Okay, so the highest elevation in the continent Europe is Mount Elbrus. Mount Elbrus is the highest mountain in Europe and it is situated in Russia. Okay, so the lowest point of the continent Europe is Caspian Sea. Okay, so the lowest point is Caspian Sea. The Caspian Sea is the world's largest inland body of water and it is situated in Europe. So the next continent is Australia. So the highest elevation of Australia is Mount Kosciuszko. Okay, so it is the highest mountain in Australia. And the lowest point of the continent Australia is Lake Eyre. Lake Eyre, officially known as Kati Thanda. Lake Eyre contains the lowest natural point in Australia. Now students, we will study chapter number 10, Cities and Rivers. We will study about cities and rivers as we know that many of the developed cities are situated near rivers just like us. Surat is a very developed city in our country and it is situated near river Tapi. Alright, so today we will study about cities and rivers. Let's start it. So students, first city is Tokyo and it is the capital of the country Japan. And the river located to the Tokyo is Sumida. The river near Tokyo is Sumida. Now, the second city is Bonn. The second city is Bonn, is the capital of the country Germany. Bonn is the capital of the country Germany. And the river situated near the city Bonn is Rhine. The river situated near the city Bonn is Rhine. Now, the third city is Cairo. It is the capital of the country Egypt. And the river situated near the city is Nile. Alright, the river situated the city Cairo is Nile. Alright. So, the next city is Lahore and it is from the country Pakistan. And the river situated near the city is known as Ravi. The river situated near Lahore city is Ravi. Now the fifth one is Lisbon. It is the capital of the country Portugal and the river situated near the city is Tagus. The river situated near this city is Tagus. Now the number 6 is city London. It is the capital of the country England and the river situated to the city is Thames. The river situated to the city is Thames. Now, number 7 is Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Okay, Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal in the country India. And the river situated near the city is known as Hooghly. The river situated near the city is known as Hooghly. So the eighth one is Shanghai. Shanghai is the city of the country China. Shanghai is the city of the country China, and the famous river situated near this city is known as Huangpu. The river situated near the city is known as Huangpu. So the ninth one is Paris. Paris is the capital of the country France, and the river situated near the city is known as Seine. The river situated near the city is known as Seine. Okay. Now the city is Delhi, and it is the capital of our country India. Okay, and the famous river situated near the city is Yamuna. The river situated near the city is Yamuna. 11th one is the city Rome, and it is the capital of country Italy. Okay, Rome is the capital of country Italy, and the river situated near the city Rome is Tiber. The river situated near the city Rome is Tiber. So 12th one is New York. New York is the city, is from the country USA, is United States of America, and the river situated near the city is known as Hudson. The river situated near the city is known as Hudson. Now, the last city, 13 number, is Baghdad. Baghdad is the capital of Iraq, and the river situated to the city Baghdad is Tigris. The river situated to the city is known as Tigris. Dear students, here we have completed up our chapter number 9 and 10. You have to learn this chapter, and your homework is to do in your textbook. You have to complete this chapter in your textbook only. Okay, so I will see you in the next period. Till then, thank you. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye.